Are you tired of settling for mediocre coffee that lacks flavor and authenticity? Say hello to the Bayka 34-ounce French press coffee maker, a sleek and stylish solution that delivers pure, aromatic, and rich coffee that ignites your senses. Join us as we dive into the world of coffee perfection, exploring the features that make this French press a must-have addition to your kitchen. If you're interested in learning more about the Bayka 34-ounce 1-liter French press coffee maker, please click on the link in the description below. Elegance Redefined. Embrace the beauty of simplicity with the Bayka French press coffee maker. Its sleek and stylish design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, complementing any decor effortlessly. The transparency of the glass carafe allows you to watch your coffee brew, turning your morning routine into an exquisite visual experience. Preserve the true essence of coffee. Indulge in the pure and authentic taste of coffee that is free from sediment and grit. Glass French presses are a favorite among coffee enthusiasts for a reason. They preserve the natural oils and flavors of your coffee, delivering a rich and aromatic cup that tantalizes your taste buds with every sip. Durable and reliable, crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, the Bayka French press coffee maker is built to withstand the test of time. Its resistance to thermal shock and ability to withstand high temperatures make it a durable companion for your daily coffee rituals. Enjoy the confidence of owning a coffee maker that is as robust as it is beautiful. Hassle-free cleaning. Experience the joy of effortless cleaning with the Bayka French press coffee maker. Designed for convenience, the glass carafe can be easily disassembled for a thorough cleaning, ensuring that every nook and cranny is pristine. Additionally, certain parts, such as the plunger and filter, are dishwasher safe, making post-coffee cleanup a breeze. Sediment-free coffee with 4-level filtration. Experience coffee like never before with the Bayka French press coffee maker's advanced 4-level filtration system. This comprehensive filtration includes a metal mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and a final mesh screen, working in harmony to ensure that your coffee is free from any unwanted sediment. Elevate your coffee journey with the Bayka 34-ounce French press coffee maker. Say goodbye to bland and mediocre coffee and welcome a world of rich aroma, pure taste, and elegant design. This French press is more than a coffee maker. It's a testament to your dedication to exceptional coffee experiences. Dive into the essence of coffee perfection, enjoy a hassle-free cleaning routine, and savor every sip with the Bayka French press coffee maker. Bring home the magic of authentic coffee and elevate your mornings to new heights. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.